Velasquez of Senorita.net, and I'm going to give you a tour of my home here in Koh Samui, and it's called W Hotels. This is my villa. There's my outdoor pool and a sneak peek of what to expect inside. Oh. Now let's go inside. Yeah, this is my bed, and that's beanie, red beanie. Yep, my living room to my TV. And I also have some drinks, snacks if I'm hungry. And it is my coffee. Yes, I have my own coffee machine. Isn't that good? Isn't that amazing? And there's more here. Wine glasses, zippers, mugs, wine. And I have my own outdoor shower. And my own tub. The sink. Hi. I look stressed, but I'm happy. And toilet. Toiletries. So yep, I'm in paradise.